Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, refined sugar-free, high-protein, super delicious, super easy, super creamy chocolate ice cream made with chickpeas, but tastes so good. It's addictive, but don't worry, it's good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas into a blender, along with 2 avocados, 8 Medjool dates, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1½ cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until smooth. Put it in the freezer until done. And enjoy with super creamy and super healthy chocolate ice cream! Thanks for watching.